right, today we're going to look at 2 congruent figures. Go ahead and start your warm-ups. Tell whether this shaded figure is a translation of the non-shaded shape. Hit pause and play when you are ready. All right, the first one here, that is a no. Looks like that's a rotation. 2, that's a yes, because remember a translation is simply just a slide. This is a no. That's a reflection, and this here, this is a yes, one move to the other. Now, what this is called is a transformation. A transformation changes the figure into another figure. The new figure is called the image. Now, what we did here is called a translation. The transformation is the big picture, and there are many different parts of the transformation. In this one, we're going to take a look at translation. Now, a translation is a transformation in which a figure slides, but does not turn. So just this one went this way, this one went this way. Every point of the figure moves the same distance in the same direction. So this one moved the same distance, this one, and this one. We simply consider this a slide. Now, let's take a look here. Tell whether the blue figure is a translation of the red. So notice these right here, it's simply just slid. So this slides, so we're sliding right here. So this is a transformation. Now this one didn't slide at all, it actually rotated. This one turned, so therefore this is not a transformation. All right, tell whether the blue figure, marked by B, is a translation of the red figure. So hit pause and then play when you're ready. This one is no, because you can see one is bigger than the other. This one also is no, as it flips. Now this one is a slide because it moves from left to right. Now, what we can do is translate these as well. So this one, so B was down 1, 2, 3. So down 3 and over 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing here. Down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a translation. Each point moves in the exact same way. So here it says translate the triangle 3 units right and 4 units down. So I'm looking at the new, so I'm going to go 3 right, 1, 2, 3, 3 down. So I'm going to call this one B prime. It's marked with one little tally mark here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C prime, A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is A prime. And so we've got now A prime, B prime, and C prime. So A prime is at 1, -2. C is at 4, -1. Oops. Sorry about that. C is at 4, -1, and B is at 5, 2. All right, go ahead and try on your own number 4. Hit pause and play when you are ready. All right, how'd you do? A prime is at -6, 3. B prime is at -2, 7. And C prime is at -3, 4. All right, so now there's actually another way we can take a look at this. It says the vertices for a square are A, B, C, and D. Draw a figure and its image with a translation 4 units left. So if we are going left or right, that is our x value. If we're going up or down, that is our y value. Remember, we're going to go to the left if it's negative, to the right if it's positive. We're going to go up if it's positive and down if it's negative. So if I'm going to go 4 units left, that means I'm going to have the x variable and I'm going to subtract 4 from that because I'm going to go 4 this way. Now y, 6 units up, so that means I'm going to take the y value and add 6 because I'm going to go up. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. I'm going to graph this here first. So I've got 1, negative 2. B is at 3, negative 2. Then I've got 3, negative 4. And D is at 1, negative 4. So let me label these. I've got A, B, C, and D. Now, I want to go 4 left. So I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same with B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is A prime, B prime, this would be C prime, and D prime. Now, if I look at what these points are, so my new A prime is at, let's see, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. But here's a quicker way to do it if I just want those vertices. So I have the vertices of A, B, C, and D. So A is at 1, negative 2. B is at 3, negative 2. C is at 3, negative 4. And D is at 1, negative 4. Now remember, I'm going 4 units left. So that means I'm going to have the x value, subtract 4, 6 units up. That means I'm going to have the y value plus 6. So that means here I've got 1 minus 4 and negative 2 plus 6. Here I have 3 minus 4, negative 2 plus 6. Here I have 3 minus 4, negative 4 plus 6. Here I've got 1 minus 4, negative 4 plus 6. So now this is going to give me the vertices of A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So that means I have A, negative 3, and 4. And if we check, look at that. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4. So B prime is at 1, 4, C prime, or negative 1, 4, C prime, negative 1, 2, and D prime is at negative 3, 2. All right, go ahead and try on your own number 5. When you're done, hit play to continue. Don't forget to hit pause first. All right, check your work, see how you did. Nice job.